The Kingdom of Swaziland is already reaping rewards of its chairmanship of the Southern Africa Development Community through the hosting of SADC meetings in the country, as it is being marketed in the conference tourism sector. This was said by the marketing manager of the Swaziland Tourism Authority, Bongani Dlamini, during an interview with Swazi TV.
As the Kingdom of Swaziland is the chair of the SADC region, most SADC meetings and conferences are held in the country. This has given hope to the Swaziland Tourism Authority that the industry will develop as per its mandate, and the authority is working tirelessly to make sure that the country is well marketed. The marketing manager of the authority, Bongani Dlamini, says the country is in a privileged position because the tourism industry is getting an opportunity.
From a tourism point of view, we are having a situation where people are beginning to appreciate that there is alternative access to Swaziland, in the sense that they can use airlines to come to the country. And most of those that are coming for these meetings are using airlines, which puts us in a higher pedestal with regards to tourism access into the country. Secondly, we are also being regarded as a conference destination, something which we had never been before. The fact that we are now building a huge conference facility down at Dlamini and we are having other hotels being built in the country means that it is an opportunity for us to now market ourselves as this kind of destination which can host such big meetings. So it is a huge advantage to us. And the fact that people who used to come for leisure here are now coming for other purposes, that means that when they go, they will also consider Swaziland for leisure now, because they are not just coming here that's not what they are coming for right now. But when they go back, they can tell other people, they can tell their friends, and then come back to the country. The tourism industry will be the beneficiaries of this of this new positioning as a conference destination, because it will mean that other countries and other people as well as organizations will begin to consider Swaziland as a conferencing destination, and this will make people consider it in terms of visitation for the specific purpose of holding meetings in Swaziland.
The authority has further pleaded with the public to warmly welcome visitors, as Swazis are well known for that. Polile Maziamba Dube reporting for Swazi TV News in Mbabane.